Here we deal with the problem from JEST 2024. We have two trains each having proper length L0. Now proper length means the length of an object in a frame in which the object is not moving, and both of the trains are moving towards each other with the same speed v but in opposite directions as measured by an observer in an inertial frame. So the situation is like this. We have two trains. Let's say this is train A, this is train B. Both of them have proper length equal to L0. And they are moving with the same speed but in opposite directions. Now what is the question? The question is, what is the length of one of the trains as measured by an observer in the other train? So we have to find either LAB, length of the train A with respect to B, or length of B with respect to A. We have to find this out. We can use length contraction formula to find this out. Length of A with respect to B, this is equal to L0 times root of 1 minus VAB square, velocity of A with respect to B squared, divided by C squared. Let's first find out velocity of A with respect to B. This is equal to VA minus VB divided by 1 minus VA VB upon C square. This is equal to, if we choose this direction as positive direction, then we have VA is equal to V minus VB is equal to minus V divided by 1 minus VA is V, VB is minus V divided by C square, which is equal to 2VC square divided by C square plus V square. Now let us substitute this here. Let us substitute VAB value here. Then we will get, if we square VAB, we have VAB square is equal to 4V square C raised to 4 divided by C square plus V square the whole square. And when you divide by C square, C raised to 4 will become C square. Therefore we have LAB is equal to length of A with respect to B is equal to L0 times root of 1 minus VAB square divided by C square is 4V square C square divided by C square plus V square the whole square. 4V square C square divided by C square plus V square the whole square. This is equal to, what are the given options here? One minus V square divided by 4C square is not correct. Option C and D are not correct. L0 times root of C square plus V square the whole square minus 4V square C square divided by C square plus V square the whole square. Now C square plus V square the whole square minus 4V square C square is equal to C raised to 4 plus V raised to 4 plus 2C square V square minus 4V square C square, which is equal to C raised to 4 plus V raised to 4 minus 2C square V square, which is equal to C square minus V square the whole square. Therefore we can write LAB is equal to L0 times root of C square minus V square the whole square divided by C square plus V square the whole square Therefore, this is coming out to be equal to L naught times c square minus v square divided by c square plus v square. The correct answer is option A. Right now we have covered every JEST PYQ ranging from JEST 2012 to JEST 2024 from the topic special theory of relativity. There were 16 questions from this topic. One question got repeated as it is exactly. If you have any comment, then you can put it below. I'm happy to help. Thank you.